Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from iPhone to PC. So there is a website which is called pairdrop.net. You will be open on your laptop, and I will be just tap on it this one for the link, and I will just tap on it simply. So what gonna do, you will be just open on your mobile app, open the camera and simply just scan it. And you will be just click on open in Google Chrome. Again you will be just scan it. So here it will be just on you put some pair drop. So devices are paired. Now what gonna do? So I will be just tap on simply this purple hornet for the Windows Chrome, and I will be just selected from any of picture from my photo. So here you will see on my laptop screen it will be just give them accept request. So file is transferred. So in this way you will just transfer files from iPhone to PC. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.